English for Beginners. Talking about abilities. Vocabulary. Play chess. Sing. Snowboard. Play the piano. Ice skate. Make cocktails. Play tennis. Iron a shirt. Speak English. Cook. Yes/no questions. Can she play the piano? Yes, she can. Can they snowboard? Yes, they can, but only a little. Can he sing? No, he can't. Practice. Can Grace and Michael ice skate?
Yes, they can, but only a little.
Can Jason play chess?
Yes, he can.
Can Emily sing?
Yes, she can.
Can Gary play tennis?
Yes, he can.
Can Ryan make cocktails?
Yes, he can.
Can Claire iron a shirt?
No, she can't.
Questions and answers. What card games can you play? I can play poker. What dishes can you cook? I can't cook. Practice. What board games can you play?
I can play chess.
What languages can you speak?
I can speak English and Korean.
What sports can you play?
I can play tennis.
What musical instruments can you play?
I can play the piano.
What songs can you sing?
I can't sing.
What cocktails can you make?
I can make margaritas.
Homework. Answer these questions in the comments section. Can you cook? What languages can you speak? What sports can you play? Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up.